What you twerking with?
Some young pop, champagne, they know the face and they know the name.
Drop that. What you twerking with? Work, bounce, work. What you twerking with?
So we're going to do an example problem, and as we know from previously stated, work is equal to FD times cosine theta. So work is measured in joules, and force, F, is measured in newtons, and D is displacement measured in meters, and cosine theta is the angle between the force vector and the displacement vector. So the first example problem of work is 100 Newton force is applied to move a 15 kilogram object horizontal distance of 5 meters at a constant speed. It says to find the work. So what we're going to do is we're going to remember our equation, which is W equals FD cosine theta. So to help us solve this problem, we're going to visualize it. So the first thing I would do is I have a 15 kilogram object, and the force being applied to it is 100 newtons. And it says that the displacement would be 5 meters. So we already have everything set, so we're just going to apply it to our equation. And I'm just going to explain why cosine theta is going to be 0. Because when the 15 kilogram object is moving this way, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just staying in place, so it's at 0. So work is equal to the force, which is 100 newtons, times the displacement, which is 5 meters, times the cosine theta of 0. And as we know from our unit circle or our trig values, that cosine 0 is 1. So now we just multiply all that together, and it equals 500. And as we know, that work is measured in joules, so we will attach our units. 500 joules.
I can give it up on the first date. I don't have to exist outside this place. And do you know that I can't change? But it's that sunshine by the very first time, and it's fine, so fine by me. 'Cause we can give it time, so much time.